Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today, we'll take a peek into Jason's diary. It's been 5 years since he lost his wife, Jane. How is he coping with her memory today? Let's find out together.
August 6, 2024, cloudy and calm. Hi, diary. Today, I visited Jane's grave. It's been 5 years since she passed, but the pain still feels fresh. The cemetery was quiet, just the way she would have liked it. I brought her favorite flowers, lilies, and placed them gently on her headstone. Standing there, I couldn't help but feel like she was still with me, watching over me as she always did. As I stood by her grave, memories of her flooded back. I remembered how, even during the toughest days of her treatment, Jane never lost her smile. That smile was her gift to the world, a way of reassuring everyone that things would be okay, even when they weren't. She was so strong, so full of life, even when her body was weak. The house felt emptier when I returned. But in the silence, I could almost hear her voice. She'd be in the kitchen, gently scolding me for something, like putting too much sugar in my coffee, or forgetting to water the plant. It's funny how those little things stay with you, how they keep her close even when she's gone. I spent the rest of the day looking through our old photos. There's one from our first trip to the mountains, back when we were young and the world was full of possibilities. In every picture, her eyes are shining with joy. That's how I want to remember her, full of love, full of life. Jane may have left this world, but she never really left me. I still talk to her, tell her about my day, about how the garden is growing. It brings me comfort, like she's just in the next room, listening. I think I'll make a cup of tea, sit by the window, and think about her a little longer. I miss her every day, but today I miss her a little more. Good night, diary. Talk to you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.